Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to fix the ghost touch problem on your TCL 60 SE NXTpaper. So first, what you guys need to do is remove the screen protector in a case. I'll show you guys why. So here we have a case for this phone. Now it's the original one. As you guys can see, it says TCL right here. Now here we have those little edges here. Sometimes they can just be a little bit longer and they can make some touches that you do not do. So basically they can cause the ghost touch. I know this case won't do that because it's the original one. So if you have an original one or something that you know that is good, then there should be no issue with using a case. But there might be an issue with a poorly applied screen protector. As you guys can see, mine is applied perfectly, but if yours isn't, then that might be the case. Now, after you remove everything, you need to clean the screen to remove any debris or moisture. I recommend you guys using the microfiber cloth. As you guys can see now, let me just give it a few wipes. Do it gently, don't go hard, and that'll be it. Now here, we need to enable the phone, go to settings, and now scroll all the way down to system and go to system update to check for the latest version. As you guys can see, I'm running the latest version of the TCL UI, so I recommend you guys doing the same because it can fix the touch glitches. So basically when you have an update available, simply click here and then make an update. So that would be it for the video. If you enjoyed this, then leave a like, sub and a comment. Bye.